We get a lot of feedback from people who think that duvets are too difficult and they have too much trouble putting the duvet insert inside the duvet cover. So I wanted to share my trick of how I very easily put my duvet insert inside the duvet cover. You want to start out with your duvet laid out on your bed, folded hamburger style. Similarly, have your duvet with the opening faced up, laying across the bed. You're gonna open up your duvet and run your hand up the side. In our duvets, we have ties on all four corners. You're gonna run your hand up, grab the tie, and pull it out. It's essential that you find a good duvet that has ties. Just make a little bow. We're gonna go and do it on the other side. Again, we're opened up, go in to the very back of the duvet, pull it out. And so now essentially you've turned your duvet inside out. We're going to take our hamburger folded duvet, and bring it up and kind of swap places with the duvet and kind of bring it down. Now your opening is at the bottom, right? And it's inside out. You run your hand up the corners and get a hold of the part that's tied. Get a good grip on it, because you're gonna kind of still have to manhandle it a little bit. And pull your duvet through. So now it's all over but the shouting. And you bring the bottom through, match it up with your corner tie. Then from there, and I'll go around and do the other side, but for now, we'll bring the top up and the bottom back down so that the buttons are facing down towards the bottom of the bed. Go to the bottom, do your buttons across. So once you have your duvet all buttoned up, finish the fluff. And enjoy.